सजना जी वारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना जी वारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, चरणों में जो न जगह पाऊं जी मैं, चरणों में जो न जगह
पाऊं जी मैं. You're so cute.
Thank you. I thought you will sing up.
It's like as if you've prepared for the song and you've come.
No. బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ 4 మూవీస్ సక్సెస్ అండి. ఒక్కసారి వెనక్కి వెళ్దాం. మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ యాక్ట్రెస్గా ఎలా వచ్చింది?
Actually, I came for one more film before. I was supposed to do Sarai Nodu.
Okay, Sarai Nodu.
Yeah, Sarai Nodu was supposed to be my first film actually.
Did you ever face rejections? Like, you know, మిమ్మల్ని రిజెక్ట్ చేశారు ఈ మూవీలో?
I think obviously, I think a lot of times they come to you.
స్కూలింగ్ లైఫ్ ఎలా గడిచింది? ఎలా ఉండేవాళ్ళు మీరు?
పక్కా టాంబాయ్, you know that like how that Mahalakshmi you saw, no?
ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే కూడా చాలా క్యూట్ గా ఉన్నారు.
That time also cute but rowdy cute.
किसी को धमकी दिया?
A lot of times.
एक बार हिंदी में दे दो ना, हम भी देखेंगे.
नहीं, so I had a very punch line every time I used to say कि तुझे पता नहीं मैं कौन हूँ. టాలీవుడ్లో ఎవరైనా హీరోతో యాక్ట్ చేయాలి అన్న కోరిక ఉందా? పెద్ద పెద్ద స్టార్స్ ఉన్నారు మన టాలీవుడ్లో. నాది చాలా 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 పెద్ద లిస్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. చెప్పండి. స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ పవర్ స్టార్ టు ఆల్ మెగా హీరోస్. ओवरऑल यू नो व्हेन यू विल गेट इनटू रिलेशनशिप, आपको यू आर टेलिंग यू डोंट हैव एनी बॉयफ्रेंड. आई एम इन अ परमानेंट रिलेशनशिप.
ऐसे क्वालिटीज होना चाहिए इफ इन केस शायद यू नो सो मेनी पीपल आर वाचिंग, दे विल प्रिपेयर देमसेल्फ फॉर मैरिज.
हु इज द मैन फॉर डू?
एटलीस्ट नॉट फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री. और कहाँ से? इंडस्ट्री से ही. Hi Mehreen, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm doing good. So ఫస్ట్ మీకు మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా అనాలంటే మీరు ఒక లక్కీ గర్ల్ అయిపోయారండి. సో ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు?
చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీ అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ చాలా ప్రెషర్గా ఉంది. యూనో ఇంత మంచి పేరు సో ఎర్లీ ఇన్ మై కెరీర్. So but definitely I feel really blessed and I think thanks to my audience, my producers, my directors for choosing me for these films and you know making me a part of these lovely projects.
అండ్ నేను కూడా మీకు థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలి, ఎందుకంటే యూఆర్ సో క్యూట్. యూనో యూత్ అందరూ అంటూ ఉంటారు షీ సో క్యూట్ అని చెప్పేసి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరైనా వచ్చి మీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి మీరు చాలా క్యూట్గా ఉన్నారని అంటే మీరు ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు వాళ్ళకి?
జస్ట్ ఆల్వేస్ హ్యాపీ. నేను యాక్చువల్లీ ఆల్వేస్ లైక్ అ హ్యాపీ గర్ల్. సో ఐ థింక్ ఆల్ దీస్ దే ఆర్ వెరీ స్వీట్ కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ అండ్ ఐ థింక్ బికాస్ పీపుల్ లవ్ మీ అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఐ థింక్ దే ఫైండ్ మీ క్యూట్. So I think the beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So I think the only all of you who love me who think I'm cute.
Yeah. And మీ స్టోరీస్ చూసుకుంటే అన్ని హిట్ అండి బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్. సో మీరు స్క్రిప్ట్ ఎలా ఓకే చేసుకుంటారు?
I believe script chooses you. When you know your first film, I believe first film idi by luck. After that whatever comes and all that, I think it is by what you choose and what comes to you. So if you attract the right things will happen to you. And I always feel a script, when it is written, the artist is already decided by the script. So you know, so many times the script goes to so many other artists, but in the end one person ends up signing it because it was always that person's script.
ఎప్పుడైనా అలా జరిగిందా? చాలా మంది దగ్గర స్టోరీస్ వెళ్ళి లాస్ట్లో మీకు రావడం ఈ స్టోరీలో ఏమైనా జరిగిందా?
యాక్చువల్లీ నాకు తెలీదు. I think maybe how much I know till now, I think the films that I have done from the beginning, Nenu choice. Yeah, and I think it came to me only. All my directors, like when they wrote the stories, they kept Mehreen in mind and they wrote the stories.
Wow. జవాన్ టైటిల్ చాలా బాగుంది, జవాన్. సో ఈ స్టోరీ మీకు ఎందుకు నచ్చింది? వాట్ వాజ్ ద కీ పాయింట్?
Actually, when Jawan came to me, this was, I think I signed this film second day after Krishnagadi Veer Premagadar release.
Oh, long
last
back.
year, long back, last year, you know, February. And that time, even till today, I don't know the whole story of the film, if you ask me. I think what made me sign the film that time was my director's belief in me. Even before Krishnagadi Veer Premagadar released, like he was so sure that, you know, his film Jawan, you know, Bhargavi is going to be played by me. So I think it is sometimes, you know, the only na director belief in me, and you know, which made me do this film.
బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ 4 మూవీస్ సక్సెస్ అండి. ఒక్కసారి వెనక్కి వెళ్దాం. మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ యాక్ట్రెస్గా ఎలా వచ్చింది?
Krishnagadi Veer Premagadar, that time, you know, first time I came to Hyderabad. Actually, I came for one more film before. I was supposed to do Sarai Nodu.
ఓకే, Sarai Nodu.
Yeah, Sarai Nodu was supposed to be my first film actually.
Okay.
But due to certain reasons, it didn't take place. And then soon after, I was called for Krishnagadi Veer Premagadar audition. And Krishnagadi Veer Premagadar, I think immediately I signed the film. I started shooting here. And then, you know, everything changed for me completely. So, before that, I think it was just almost couple of months when I shifted from Canada. Actually, I was living in Canada in New York.
ఓకే.
And then from Bombay, I was called for the audition for Krishnagadi Veer Premagadar.
అంటే మీరు బై బర్త్ నుండి నేను యాక్ట్రెస్ అవ్వాలి అని అనుకున్నారా?
No, never.
దెన్ హౌ దిస్ హ్యాపెన్?
Destiny. I believe a lot in destiny. You know how certain times, most of the time, whatever you do is already written. You just need to follow the path. So for me, I never in my wildest of dreams also I thought that I'll become an actress. I went to study business in the States, and I don't know how suddenly my path changed, and I thought if destiny has chosen this for me, this has to be the right thing.
ఒకవేళ యాక్ట్రెస్ అవ్వకపోతే ఏమై ఉండేవారు ఇప్పటి వరకు?
As in?
If you are not an actress up to now, then what would be your...
I think nothing. Seriously, I'm the kind of person, so beginning nunchi nenu every time I met some successful person, be it a doctor, be it an aeronautical engineer. I met Sunita Williams that time, be it Dalai Lama, all the famous personalities. The next day, like the day I'll meet them, the next day my profession would change to what they are. You know, since beginning. So I think that's why God chose this profession for me, because I can play all roles. I can become a doctor, aeronautical engineer in every different film that I play. So I think if not an actor, I think nothing in life.
शादी करके चले जाना?
Not really actually. वो भी नहीं होता. वो भी नहीं होता.
సీరియస్లీ. అండ్ యూనో ఇప్పుడైతే సక్సెస్ చాలా బాగుంది మెహరీన్. చూస్తే అబ్బాయి ఈమె చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అమ్మాయి అని అనుకుంటారు. డిడ్ యూ ఎవర్ ఫేస్ రిజెక్షన్స్, లైక్ యూనో మిమ్మల్ని రిజెక్ట్ చేశారు ఈ మూవీలో?
I think obviously, I think a lot of times they come to you, and but I think rejections is what make you a stronger person. You know, when like I'm that kind of a person, so with me, if somebody will put me down, I'll get more stubborn and dedicated in terms of that now I have to do this, you know, that kind of a thing. If you believe in yourself, of course. But obviously there are so many, I'm blessed to have people around me who believe in me so much. You know, my directors, my producers, my co-stars, my friends, my family, everybody. That, you know, that 1.5 year gap when I had after Krishnagadi Veer Premagadar,
I was about to ask that.
I was going through a very low phase in life, because every time I met somebody, you know, Mahalakshmi, I had a huge fan following after Krishnagadi Veer Premagadar released Tarvata. But something right wasn't happening. You know, all the big directors, anybody, they tweeted about my performance. Everything happened after, you know, in KVPG. And every time I met somebody, they would say, "Oh my God, you were superb in your film." Then I would feel, if I was that nice, why isn't something good happening? But I think maybe that time wasn't right. So that is the time when people close to you, you know, you need their support, and, you know, your family, your friends, that backing, that backbone. And I think they had so much belief in me. They said, "You see, you'll do wonders." And I think in no time, then I signed like these films, and I was doing all of these, and, you know, I was
I
back
can
at it.
see that in your eyes, Meherin. Seriously.
Yeah. I think these things, they make you more humble. If I feel, if Krishnagadi Veerupam Gada tarvata suddenly I was doing NTR movie or a Mahesh Babu movie and I would be doing so many films at that time, I think maybe I wouldn't be so humble what I am right now, because I have seen that along with success I saw that low phase in life, you know, like people go through that when they have flop films. Despite a hit film, despite a big film, which, you know, Nani also, he became bigger, and you know, it was like everybody's survival, that film. And but it happens.
సో మీరు చాలా లోన్లీగా కూడా ఫీల్ అయ్యి ఉంటారు ఆ టైంలో.
Not lonely, it's just that you know, certain times you start doubting yourself. There's time that, am I doing the right thing? Do you think I should do something else which I'm not doing? That, just those questions that fight within yourself. I think we go through every day as human beings, something we really want in life, and we are giving our heart to it, and we feel still it's not happening the right way.
సో ఇండస్ట్రీలో నుండి ఎవరు మీకు బాగా సపోర్ట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు, ఎంకరేజ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఆ టైంలో?
I think everybody, but na friend Shweta, she is my designer also. She designed for me in Jawan, Mahanubhavdu, Raja the Great. I think she is my backbone. And how I met her, you won't believe, was during Sarai Nodu photo shoot. Because she did Sarai Nodu, so that time Boypati sir's, you know, she does all Boypati sir's films. Boypati sir's very good friend. So sir made me meet her, and sir said, you know, I'm giving you a friend in Hyderabad that time. And she's designed for me in photo shoot Sarai Nodu. I didn't do the film.
Sarai Nodulo మీరు రిజెక్ట్ చేశారా మిమ్మల్ని, లేకపోతే మీకు కుదరలేదు?
No, I don't know. It just happened. No, I was selected, but things didn't work out in the end. So let's put it that way. But of course, you know, it was a Manchi project, but definitely maybe something better will come with Bunny soon. So that time I met Shweta that time, the first time, and I think we just became very good friends, and she's really supported me actually. I think how much belief she has in me, I also don't have in myself.
సూపర్. సో ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి వెళ్దాం. మీ స్కూలింగ్ లైఫ్ ఎలా గడిచింది, ఎలా ఉండేవాళ్ళు మీరు?
Pakka tomboy, you know, that like how that Mahalakshmi you saw, no?
ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే కూడా చాలా క్యూట్గా ఉన్నారు.
That time also cute, but rowdy cute. You know, very tomboy. I used to wear pants, no skirts, never sitting like this, crossed legs, no makeup, no like this hair, no nothing. All this is after, thanks to the industry, that I became like that. So before that, yeah, always like tomboy, like rowdy, like that.
టాంబాయ్ అయితే మీ వరకు, కానీ చూడ్డానికి అయితే అందంగా చాలా బాగున్నారు కదా. సో మీకు ఏమైనా ప్రపోజల్స్ రావడం, లేకపోతే మీరు ఎవరి మీద?
Actually, I think proposals never came to me because they thought she'll just beat us up. There are so many proposals. My classmates, they'll tell me now, you know what, we couldn't tell you that time because we would be like, oh my god, she'll slap, she'll beat, I don't know what she will do. But I would always think, why they don't come? I was always like for my friends, no, I was always like a matchmaker for so many, because I was friends with everybody. Matchmaker. I didn't have a match for myself.
कभी आप किसी को धमकी दिया है?
A lot of times.
एक बार हिंदी में दे दो ना, हम भी देखेंगे.
नहीं, so I had a very punch line every time I used to say कि तुझे पता नहीं मैं कौन हूँ. Always. I don't know. My mom would say like, you think you're some PM? What is this? तुझे पता नहीं मैं कौन हूँ. But that was my punch, like my dialogue all through, and I think so many dhamkis, not even one.
వావ్. అండ్ ఇదొక క్వశ్చన్ అండి. రాజా ది గ్రేట్ సూపర్ సక్సెస్ అయింది, మేము అందరం బాగా చూసాం. కానీ దాని తర్వాత ఏమైందంటే, మెహరీన్ బయటకు వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు, మెహరీన్ అంటే ఒక చిన్న టాక్ ఉంది, లైక్ యూనో ఆ సినిమాలో కొద్దిగా లావ్ అనిపించారు అని చెప్పేసి. మీరు విన్నారా ఇది? అంటే మీరు కొద్దిగా లావ్ అయిపోయారు, పుట్ ఆన్ వెయిట్, మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు చాలా బాగున్నారు, బట్ స్టిల్.
No. I think it was just you know, sometimes I think that keeps happening with all of us. Definitely me being an actress, I have to be more careful, which I am now. Like I have lost a lot of weight and all that. I think it happens. It's certain body types, you know, because sometimes because I was shooting in so many outdoor locations, Darjeeling, all those kind of places where there was no gym, there was no time to even like sleep. So I think, you know, those things they make you but now I'm very careful with what I eat, and if not workout also, but I know I take care of my diet and everything.
నవ్ యూర్ వర్కింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఏదైనా ఖాళీ టైం దొరికితే మెహరీన్ డే ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అండ్ డే ఎలా ఎండ్ అవుతుంది?
Mehreen day, I think just like any other normal shooting day, I wake up early every day, 5 o'clock, 5:30 max I wake up. I can't sleep later than that.
Okay.
And I'm an early riser, and then I like to go for workout, and I'll come, and I'll spend time with family, with friends, and then I love traveling. So if I'm not shooting, I'll travel. So just yesterday I landed back from US. I went for my birthday because I was shooting continuously like for 10 months without a break. So I needed that time, to clear my head. That it's some one place that you go to where, you feel you need to start, you need to restart, you need a restart button always. So I feel like I have come back, I'm looking like much fresher and everything. That is because, you let go of everything, all this thing, and now again back to hard work again.
Super. Do you know cooking?
No. Only green tea. Nothing.
Yeah. And నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి మీకు సెలబ్రిటీ క్రష్లు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా టాలీవుడ్ నుండి? ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఉంటారు కదా.
For me, I have a female crush, Anushka Shetty.
What?
Sweetie
Filori
Garu.
ke baad?
So, no, Sweetie Garu.
Okay, Anushka.
I love her. Like, I have loved her, from like day one. Like, even before I stepped in the industry, I watched so many of her films here and all that. So recently I met her. I watched, in fact, Mahanubhavdu preview with her, sitting right next to her. And I wasn't looking at myself on screen. I was only looking at her. So that is the aura. So I think she's my crush.
What did you tell her? Meer na crush.
No, she already knows, because all my producers, everybody, they were doing Bhagmati. I would say, oh my God, did you meet her? Can you please tell her, I want to meet her? That kind of a thing.
సో ఫస్ట్ టైం కలిసినప్పుడు అనుష్క గారు మీతో ఏం మాట్లాడారు?
I know, she met me really nicely, and she had heard a lot about me and all that. So that felt really nice, such a big actress like her, and knowing a newcomer like me, I think that itself is is a very big thing.
సో ఇప్పుడు మీకు టాస్క్ అనమాట. మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 4 హీరోస్తో వర్క్ చేశారు కదా, లైక్ నాని, శర్వానంద్, రవితేజ గారు, నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు సాయిధరం తేజ్ గారు,
And Sandeep Kishan.
నెక్స్ట్ సందీప్ కిషన్.
Sandeep Kishan already movie released అయింది, Care of Surya.
ఓకే. సో సందీప్ కిషన్ గారు 5 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, ఈ 5 మెంబర్స్లో ఎవరు బాగా హాట్గా అనిపిస్తారు?
I think everybody, they are hot in their own ways.
సూపర్ ఆన్సరా, బహుత్ బడియా ఆన్సర్. నో, యూ షుడ్ చూస్ వన్.
I think it's not necessary to choose one. I think I'll choose all of
How
them.
many viewers
Because I worked with all of them, no? So that means I chose all of them in their own this thing. So for me, all 5 are equal.
Okay, now another question. Who is very irritating?
Irritating? Myself, I think. Me, myself.
Okay. Very smart answers there हो यार आप. And इसी के बाद who is like caring and all? कभी कोई कॉल करता है coming or not to the workplace and all?
Who? Co-stars?
Yeah.
I think everybody is, it depends on the situation. Like that, like everybody is very caring, but obviously, like if coming on shoot or not now, like if I'm unwell, if I'm somewhere, like on my birthday, everybody, like Sharva was all the way in Nepal, he had gone for some temple, this thing, he FaceTimed me from there on my birthday, so these things like really make you feel special. Tej called me, and then Aarti, Raviteja garu, everybody. Nani, I don't know, he missed to call me. I should fight with him.
Nani garu. Yeah. మీరు మీ సినిమాలు కాకుండా వేరే తెలుగు సినిమాలు చూస్తూ ఉంటారా? రీసెంట్గా ఏవి చూసారు?
Recently, actually, because I wasn't here, I only watched Raja the Great, and last was Care of Surya in this thing. But now I'm going to, because I just came back, I'm going to watch all the films.
మీరు మీ సినిమాలే చూస్తున్నారండి?
No. I watch all before my cinema, because I have been shooting. ఇది time ledu. Before my film, I watched Arjun Reddy.
I was about to
I
ask.
love that film. I watched that film. So with me is like, because I'm shooting every day, I sleep early. 6:30 pack up. If then 8:30 I go to sleep, because early morning again I have to wake up.
అర్జున్ రెడ్డి ఎలా అనిపించింది మీకు?
చాలా బాగుంది. ఈవెన్ బిఫోర్ ద ఫిల్మ్ రిలీజ్డ్ ఐ వుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ వైల్ గోయింగ్ అండ్ ఐ వుడ్ ఆస్క్ మై డ్రైవర్ బికాస్ ఐ డెంట్ నో అబౌట్ విజయ్ దట్ టైమ్. ఐ వుడ్ సే హూ ఇస్ దిస్ దిస్ పోస్టర్ లుక్స్ రియలీ నైస్, ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ ఇస్ గోనా డూ వెల్. దే వుడ్ సే పతా nahi madam we don't know, but when the film released it actually did so well.
సో విజయ్ దేవరకొండ గారితో యాక్ట్ చేయాలని మీకు
డెఫినెట్లీ
సూపర్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు జవాన్ గురించి మాట్లాడదామండి. ఇందులో రాశిఖన్నా గారు సాంగ్ పాడారని తెలిసింది. సో ఇది ఎలా జరిగింది? మళ్ళీ మీరు రాశిఖన్నా గారితో మాట్లాడారా? సాంగ్ బాగా పాడారు?
No, actually I haven't spoken to her because I was traveling, but definitely I'm going to do this. She's done a wonderful job. So it's amazing. Rashi, she did a special appearance in Raja the Great. Now she's singing for Jawan. It's really nice, to be like fellow actresses supporting you in your work. I think it's really nice of her to do that.
మీరు ఇద్దరు ఫ్రెండ్సా లేకపోతే ఈ మూవీ
friends as in just like hello hi, not really like not baga close friends, because actually because I'm a newcomer and then those they have been in the industry, so I think it takes a while to be, and I have not really actually gotten the time also to like gel with all of them, but definitely like they always we meet very nicely, we always like we are in touch.
జవాన్ మూవీలో మీ రోల్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది?
Jawan movie, she's an artist, Bhargavi na peru, and she like dominates the hero all the time, nice role.
Real life lo kuda tomboy
yeah. This film like she dresses up like a girl, but otherwise she like very chala dominating and chala glamorous actually film lo. This na first film which is actually like shown me very like in a very glamorous way, so what I also hadn't seen myself in. So
working with Sai Dharam Tej garu ela undadi?
It was really nice, Tej has been we've always been friends, but working with him like it's always it's really nice to work with him. He's a lot of fun on sets and everything, so yeah.
Taman gari music ela anpichindi, and which is your favorite song?
Avuna Kaduna. Okay. And Bangaru, even Bomma Adrindi, because I think like that song is like game changer for me, because that's when I started learning dance and I performed and everybody was like shocked. So I think I like Bomma Adrindi as well.
మనం డైరెక్టర్ గారి గురించి మాట్లాడదామండి. BVS రవి గారితో మీకు వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉండింది? ఆయన షూట్లో సజెషన్స్ ఇవ్వడం అలాంటివి ఏమైనా చేసేవాళ్ళ?
He is an amazing person. Actually, he's been a very good friend of mine even before I did this film. Like like we know each other from I think the first time I came to Hyderabad. Like the whole group, I met them at Tempo party, Tempo event. So he has always shown belief in me from day one. So I think he's been a very big support to me.
Super. And producer Krishna garu gurinchi em
Krishna garu kuda a very like very passionate producer. Yeah, I have always seen him. I think there's never been a day that he's not come on set. He's always on set and he's working along with everybody. We were shooting in Milan, and the first time I saw how you have to get all the camera equipments and everything and take from one place to the other. I saw him doing that. So it was a very big thing and very motivating, for a producer doing that. Like he didn't have to do that, but he did it like because he felt he was a part of the crew. And I think if the producers like he is the one, like people look up to him. So if he does that, it motivates the whole team altogether.
జవాన్ ఓవరాల్గా స్టోరీ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది? ఇందులో ఇంకా ఏమేమి క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి?
Prasanna Garu is there. He's played the villain in his first film in Telugu, and then of course like Tej and and my role, and once you watch this film, it's like a complete action-packed film, and like Ravi Garu, like I have never seen him so confident ever before how he is about this film. So I think seeing that confidence, it gives us so much confidence. I'm sure that
Super.
it should do well.
Yeah, it will actually. ఎందుకంటే ఇన్ని సినిమాలు హిట్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇది కూడా హిట్ అయిపోవాలి మీకు. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇట్ షుడ్ డూ వెల్ అని అన్నారు కాబట్టి నేను అడుగుతున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మీరు సక్సెస్సే చూసుకుంటూ వచ్చారండి, కానీ మీ యాటిట్యూడ్ చూసుకుంటే సక్సెస్ అయినా ఫెయిల్యూర్ అయినా ఒక టాస్క్లా తీసుకుంటారని అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇన్ కేస్ ఇప్పుడు కమింగ్ డేస్లో అప్కమింగ్, ఐ షుడ్ నాట్ సే దిస్ బట్ స్టిల్, ఏదన్నా డౌన్ ఫాల్ ఉంటే మీరు ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి ఉంటారు?
I think life only prepares you. Like definitely, if there is a up, there is. For me, actually, I started with up, but it was a lot of down, and now I'm still going up. So I think not anytime soon, but whenever it does come, I think it's just time. I think you just have to take it.
టాలీవుడ్లో ఎవరైనా హీరోతో యాక్ట్ చేయాలి అన్న కోరిక ఉందా? పెద్ద పెద్ద స్టార్స్ ఉన్నారు మన టాలీవుడ్లో.
నాది చాలా 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 పెద్ద లిస్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
చెప్పండి.
స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ పవర్ స్టార్ టు ఆల్ మెగా హీరోస్ టు మహేష్ బాబు అండ్ టు జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ టు you know Prabhas, like Bahubali. So I think there's a long list. I would really love to work with all of them.
అండ్ బాలీవుడ్ మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళే ఛాన్సెస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా టాలీవుడ్ నుండి బాలీవుడ్కి?
I am getting offers, but I think I'm very happy with Tollywood. This is my mother, so I think I have actually been busy here. Like I get a lot of calls from Bollywood, and everybody like you settle there. So I think my heart is where my work is, and my work is here, and this is like I feel like I'm home. So I'm very happy.
మరి ప్లాన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా ఫ్యూచర్లో అయినా బాలీవుడ్ వెళ్ళాలి?
Actually, I don't plan anything. With me, I just go with the flow. Anything like even now, like if in like 10 minutes they'll say, oh, there's one more interview and all that, whatever. It's just like I just
Go with the flow.
I go with the flow.
Yeah, got it. లాస్ట్ టైం మీరు మాకు ప్రామిస్ చేశారు ఐ డ్రీమ్కి, ఐ విల్ సింగ్ సాంగ్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం बोल के अभी टाइम आ गया, अब गाना गाना चाहिए.
अभी क्या गाना गाऊँ मैं?
कुछ भी, तेलुगु या हिंदी, लेकिन अब गाना गाइए.
Oh my God. You sing with me. You start a song.
No,
no.
Everyone here they'll run away.
No, nobody will run away.
Mahirin,
It's
please
okay.
don't give me the task.
No, seriously, I'm telling you. It's we should walk hand in hand. You interview me and I am.
I was very confident up to now.
Start one song.
No, आप गा लो ना.
नहीं, आप गाओ, मैं आपके साथ.
ఏంటండి నాకు టాస్క్ ఇస్తున్నారు ఇవిడ? హింदी गाएंगे या तेलुगु गाएंगे?
हिंदी.
विल सिंग सजना जी वारी वारी हनीमून ट्रैवल्स.
Okay.
आपको आता है?
Okay, आता है.
मेरा गला ठीक नहीं है.
कोई बात नहीं, वो that is like this thing for everybody.
ठीक है. We'll finish in 1 minute. है
1 minute is I think too long. I think maybe 10 seconds.
Thank you.
should
30
be
seconds
fine.
will finish this. 1, 2, 3 go. आप गाना चाहिए.
सजना
जी वारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना जी वारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, चरणों में जो न जगह पाऊं जी मैं, चरणों में जो न जगह
पाऊं जी मैं. You're so cute.
Thank you. I thought you will sing up.
It's like as if you've prepared for the song and you've come.
No. Yeah. So overall, when you'll get into relationship, you're telling you don't have any boyfriend.
I am in a permanent relationship with the camera. So
Wow.
so till the time the camera loves me, I
Superb answer.
I think
दिल और
that is.
दिमाग कैमरा पे ही है. Okay, I'll change the question. शादी कब करेंगे?
अभी तो बहुत अर्ली है.
ऐसे बोलते हो? आपके लाइफ में आपको लड़का चाहिए या नहीं? आई मीन टू आस्क, आप
चाहिए बट अभी तो मेरे करियर से शादी हो चुकी है, तो अभी वही करनी है.
कैसे क्वालिटीज होना चाहिए इफ इन केस? शायद सो मेनी पीपल आर वाचिंग, दे विल प्रिपेयर देमसेल्फ फॉर मैरिज. क्या बोलते हो?
Mehreen herself is not prepared for Mehreen, so I don't know. I think whatever clicks.
Okay.
I don't really have a list because I feel like in life it doesn't work with lists. It's just that instant click that happens with a person, and then it goes on. Maybe some Mahanubhav do only, but I don't know who is the Mahanubhav do.
At least not from industry. और कहाँ से? Industry से ही?
कुछ नहीं पता.
Blank.
आपको तेली दूँ. Blank. It's just a blank paper, and I'll maybe just sign on it whenever there's the right time.
इसको भी आप साइन करेंगे महरीन?
इसको भी साइन करेंगे.
तो शादी आप साइन करके ही करेंगे?
Of course.
I'll take like that. Yeah. సో ఒక్క మాట అండి, వ్యూయర్స్కి ఏం చెప్తారు? జవాన్ మూవీ వచ్చి థియేటర్లో చూస్తే వాళ్ళు ఏ ఫీల్తో వెనక్కి వెళ్తారు?
I think chala manchi feeling. This film is it's a youth-oriented film, and then it talks about it makes you respect. It gets you that sense of patriotism about for our country, the country that we live in, and also about this young man, who's. So I think when you'll come back with a happy feeling with this film. It'll be a very positive film, like that sense of that happiness that you feel that okay, you watched something nice today. And of course, and Ravi Garu, like his dialogues, like they're superb in the film. and how much ever I have understood. And I'm sure that being you all being Telugu, and you know it's and then you're going to see Mehreen in a very different avatar altogether, like a glamorous role, which me myself have seen for the first time. So I hope you really like it. And Idina last film of this year, last release of 2017. So just like my all other releases in 2017, all the other 5, I really hope this one as well you know is a blockbuster, and I need all your support and love.
లాస్ట్ ఇయర్లో లాస్ట్ ఫిలిం అని అంటున్నారు కదా, సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ రాబోతుంది. రిజల్యూషన్ ఏమైనా తీసుకున్నారా మీరు?
Resolution, it's already started from my birthday. The resolution has started already.
What is
I
it?
don't wait for 31st January. I wait for 5th November. Every year, 5th November, my new year starts.
సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ రిజల్యూషన్?
Just to become a better actress, to do better films, and to become a better person and inspire somebody, inspire a life.
You are inspiring actually, the way you were talking and all. And December 1st నా మూవీ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్. అండ్ అలాగే మీరు అనుకున్న పెద్ద లిస్ట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో, ప్రభాస్ గారు, మహేష్ గారు, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారు, అందరితో ఫుల్ టు బిజీగా సినిమాలు చేసేయాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్.
Thank you so much.